blind to all the love in you. I chased the world and left your heart alone, while you were standing strong beside our home. I should have loved you better when I had the chance, held you closer instead of drifting past. You were my shelter when the storms would come, but I acted like your love was never enough. Now every memory cuts deeper than before, because I see the truth I never saw. If I could turn back time, I'd make it right and love you the way you deserve your whole life. Oh. You waited up all nights I never came, still whispered softly when you said my name. You carried all the weight I couldn't see, while giving every part of you to me. I thought your love would never fade away, but hearts grow tired when they're left in pain. I should have loved you better when I had the chance, held you closer instead of drifting past. You were my shelter when the storms would come, but I acted like your love was never enough. Now every memory cuts deeper than before, because I see the truth I never saw. If I could turn back time, I'd make it right and love you the way you deserve your whole life. Oh, oh, oh. So here I stand with nothing left to hide, just a broken man in wounded pride. If there's a spark still burning in your heart, I'll spend forever fixing what I tore apart, because losing you has made me understand you were the blessing in these empty hands. I should have loved you better every day, shown you more than